I've been wanting to hit up Ober Mountain for a while. I've seen a couple of videos of it, and I decided to finally bring my snowboard up when I went to go visit Steven. This is me hitting a tree. I got up early in the morning and caught a pretty awesome sunrise as I headed from Oak Ridge to Gatlinburg. It took me about an hour and a half to get there. I guess if you're in Knoxville, it'd take you less than an hour to get here. So they had two different parking passes, and as long as the upper lots aren't full, you could actually pull right up to the front door, which was pretty nice. I think I saw that the mountain is 3,500 feet. Maybe it was a little bigger, but it was a super pretty day. Really blue skies. There had been a winter storm that had come through earlier in the week, so there was really good snow on the ground, and it looked like it was going to be a pretty fun little place. Couldn't imagine a better day in terms of the temperature. It had been really cold the day before, but it had a pretty good base on the mountain, and with the recent snow, it wasn't very icy, which is pretty typical of these smaller East Coast hills. So I was pretty pleased with the conditions. The runs weren't incredibly long, but they also didn't feel super short. So the lift, I would say, is kind of a moderate speed, and you're able to get back up to the top pretty quickly. This is the main run. I'll do a full pull on it and come around to the back of the lift. And then the second run, I'll go through, I guess what would be kind of like the bunny slopes and the beginner slopes and come around to the front. So the one thing I'll say is the price to go to ski was like $110 after tax, and I don't think they had like a night ski pass or like a 4 or 6 hour pass like they do at Calahoochee, so it's pretty expensive. And I guess if you're going to go for the whole day and into the night, it's maybe not too bad, but $110 is pretty expensive for a smaller East Coast hill. I will say also that it's a very family-oriented place. The lodge had everything from like indoor, I don't know if it was ice skating or some sort of like bumper cars or something, or lots of little shops and video games and places to eat. So it almost kind of felt like the way a skating rink would. So if you have kids, this would definitely be a place that you could take them, and if there are kids that don't want to ski a lot or just need other activities, I think they had a big tubing hill. So there's quite a bit to do if you're a family, but yeah, I think I got 10 runs in, and I stayed around 2 hours. So again, the $110 for 2 hours is pretty expensive, but hey, where are you going to go snowboarding just outside of Knoxville? And yeah, I'll probably come here again if the conditions are right. I definitely think having the fresh snow, or the fact that they would be making a lot of snow, would make this place a lot better. And I can see where once it starts to melt off, and if it were icy, probably that $110 would start to feel not so worth it. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video, and this is the second run where I'll go through the trees for a bit, and then I'll head down towards the bunny slopes. So yeah, go check it out.